Hello everyone, welcome back. Yes, boys and girls, welcome back. The third puzzle in this additional, yes, in additional of Friday, November the 18th, 2022, almost weekend. Two puzzles are left. I've already done the 3-star Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. The tectonic with 4 stars. In Dutch, they call it cyberblock. And the binary puzzle is left, yes. Alright, first the binary puzzle. The binary puzzle number 5503. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 1's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes in one. Between two O's comes in one. Between two O's comes in one. Between two ones comes in O. Between two O's comes in one. Between two ones comes in O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in one. Then. And no, between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O. So those two boxes should be a 1 then. Alright. Double O, here one, there one. We have 3 ones here in this second row. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in the second row. Not allow one of the rules. So it's not a 1 here. This should be an O then. Alright. Double O. Here one, there one. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Between two ones comes an O. Then. 3 O's we have here in this row. If I place number 4 here, the fourth O, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Still 3 O's in this row. If I place number 4 here, then we still have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. 4 1's we have here in the last column, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Then I know. Well, need to compare, I think. Need to compare. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah. We have 4 columns completed, and we have 3 completed rows. Okay, do we have a 10 here? 10. No. 1001. Yeah. This row and that row. 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 empty box 0 0 1 1. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have an O here, and this should be a 1. We have 1 here, this should be an O. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Alright. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Well. Need to compare again. Yeah. Still no have 10. Okay. 101. Okay. 01. Do we have 01 here? Nope. Need to compare the columns then. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 columns. Alright. Do we have a 101 here? Almost the same. 101. No. Then this one. 010. 010. Oh, almost the same. Well, do we have a 10 here? Yeah, 10. Ah, this row and that row. Oh, of course not. Wrong one. Come on. This one. Correction. Yes. 0011. 0011. 0011. Empty box. We need to switch these 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Between 2 1s comes an O, between 2 O's comes an 1. Alright. Need to compare again. Yeah. Alright. 100. 1. Almost the same, this one. Over 10 here. Yeah. This one. And that one. Wow. 1 1 0 1 1 0 empty box 1 1 0. Need to switch those 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. 1 2 3 4. Correct. Now we have 1 2 3 4 O, so the rest are 1s. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Yes, correct. 7 minutes. Wow. We saw it again. Yes, we saw it again, and I like this one. Yes, do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.